In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to book a hotel room on Booking.com. Whether you're planning a much-needed vacation or you just need a cozy place to rest for the night, you'll find that the process is simple and quick. So let's dive right in and make it as smooth and seamless as possible. Begin by visiting the official Booking.com website. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent search bar right on the homepage. Here, you want to enter your destination. This could be a city you're longing to explore, a region with breathtaking views, or perhaps a specific hotel if you've got one in mind. Typing your desired location will set the stage for what comes next. Now it's time to select your check-in and check-out dates. A calendar tool will help you pick just the right days for your stay. Make sure your chosen dates align with your travel plans and any events or activities you're planning. After setting your arrival and departure, it's crucial to specify the number of guests that will be staying. This ensures you find the perfect accommodations tailored just for your group. With all these details entered, click the search button to pull up a curated list of available accommodations. This is where the real fun begins. You'll browse through a variety of options, each displaying critical details like pricing, amenities, and guest reviews. Take your time here. It's important to delve into what each place offers, seeing as these details can significantly enhance or affect your overall experience. If a particular listing catches your eye, you can click on See Availability to obtain more comprehensive information. You'll get an in-depth look at room types, features, and what's available during your selected dates. This helps you make an informed decision on where you will stay. Once you've zeroed in on the ideal room that suits your needs, you can go ahead and click Reserve. It's at this point that you'll need to enter your personal details accurately. This ensures the reservation is made in your name. And if you're part of Booking.com's Genius program, don't forget to apply any discounts available to you. Savings always come in handy. Before you proceed to payment, you can add any special requests you might have. This could be anything from extra pillows to arranging an early check-in. These requests can often add a personal touch to your stay. Finally, moving on to the payment phase, you'll follow the prompts to process your payment securely. And just like that, once you've confirmed it, your booking is complete. You'll receive a confirmation email that details your reservation. And just like that, your stay is officially booked. All that's left is to prepare for your trip and have a fantastic time. Safe travels.